How to automatically generate captions using Canva. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will use Canva and the tools that are built within to generate the captions from a specific audio. Now here's the thing, it is actually going to take the audio and automatically create the caption for you, but here's the thing, it's not actually going to sync it automatically with the video. So what you actually would want to do is take the audio, transcribe it automatically, and then you would want to just try to align it perfectly with the video. So how do you actually achieve this? First, you would want to just go ahead and open up your design with the video or whatever it may be. I'm just going to click on this video option and I'm just going to use any random video that I actually find here. Okay, so obviously this video does not have any talking in it. I'm not going to transcribe this video exactly. I just have some audio that I would transcribe and get the captions from, which is this one that I recorded for the sake of this example. So what do we actually do here? We want to just go to the apps section from the bottom left, and we want to just search for transcribe audio. Sorry about that, so let's just do that one more time. So once you search for this one, you would want to select this one right here. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's just going to open up this section for you. Click on open, and then we basically want to transcribe your audio here. But if you want, you can also select a font that you actually want. I'm just going to use a very unique one, just so it actually does stick out. And then what we want to do is click on transcribe your audio. Click on choose file, and then you would want to just go to the file itself, select it, and then you would want to click on transcribe your audio. And just like that, it is actually automatically going to create the transcription here for you, and you can actually see the text in here. So let's just go ahead and actually make it a different color so it is visible. That is not going to be visible. Let's just try a blue. There you go. So if it is a lot of text, it is going to be a little bit more difficult to actually align it or perfectly sync it with your video. But what we can actually do, if there's a lot of text, so for example, let's say like so. Okay, so if it is a lot of text, what you can do, at least one way that I can use this, is that you would want to select the sections or parts that you can fit through a screen time or a clip, and then you'd want to just go ahead and copy it, and then you would want to basically duplicate this and delete everything in between and just paste in the section that you want, and try to sync it with the clip while removing this one. And then the next step, you can just go ahead and do that automatically. I mean manually. It's not going to be automatic with the syncing and stuff, but here you can simply just go ahead and change the color, the font. Again, if you don't like the font, which I actually don't, you can change it, and everything else as normal text, like effects and everything, you can simply adjust that. But the only downside of it is that it actually does not sync it for you. It's just going to create a bunch of text for you where you can just copy paste them to use them easy. It's much easier than actually typing everything out. So this is pretty much all we can do for the time being in Canva to auto generate text from audio. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.